Alright everybody, welcome back. It is our food video day, and you want to know what I found at the Dollar General. We're on a food field trip. Come on in, like and share the video on your way in. And if you're new, come on in. We're on a food field trip. We do field trips here periodically, so I can show you what's going on at our favorite place, the Dollar General. And you want to know as well, and you don't want to miss anything. So look below and hit that red subscription button and that notification bell. That way you won't miss anything going on here at Crazee Country Couponers. Deals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information. Okay, everybody, please like and share that video on your way in. Leave me that free word comment that YouTube likes to hear, and watch one of those ads for me. I truly appreciate and love you bunches. Now let's hop into these food deals we've got going on at the Dollar General. And like I tell you all the time, emergency food items, guys. But these things we can use for emergency food, and we can just eat them because we like them. So first off, let's talk about the Spam. The Spam is regularly $3.65. This is $1.30 savings right off the top. 2 for $6. Emergency food, great breakfast items, great camping stuff, okay? Now, we also have their Hormel ham chunk salad, okay? 2 for $3. That's a 50-cent savings, all right? We have got the white premium chicken breast Swanson, 2 for $7. Really good deal, because normally this is almost $10. You're saving almost $3 on getting 2 of these. And you can make really good chicken salad with this stuff right here. Okay? Really good chicken salad. Next, we got the Hormel chili no beans. You talking about some good chili for chili dogs? This is it. Normally almost $3 a piece, 2 for $5. So a really good deal there. Like I said, a really good deal for chili dogs. We also have the SpaghettiOs are on sale again. 3 for $3, and you got regular meatballs and you got chicken meatballs, just in case you don't like the beef. Now we've got a new 3 for $2 Clover Valley corn, no salt corn, green beans, or no salt green beans on your veggies, okay? 3 for $2. So stock up on you some veggies. Again, emergency food, guys. You can live on veggies. Alrighty. We've got your Clover Valley diced tomatoes and green chilies for $1. And salsa time is coming. You want to make some cheap salsa? All you need is a can of this stuff right here, and leftover veggies out of your fridge. You got a leftover jalapeno, you got a leftover piece of tomato, a green pepper, throw that in the blender. Voila, you've got salsa. A little bit of chili powder and some garlic. And it don't cost you nothing. It's leftovers. Okay. Well, guys, I'm thinking, short of our regular food deal, that's going to be about it. I was looking for some tuna specials, but I'm not seeing it. But we do have the chicken special. So let's talk about the chicken special. We've got that Hellmann's mayonnaise coupon. $4 off of 2 of these. These are $4.25. It makes them $4.25 for 2. Okay. We've got several relishes down here. We've got dill relish for $2.25. We got sweet relish for $2.75. Pick up a jar of relish. Or if you just want pickles, pick you up a jar of pickles, because you can always make your own relish by chopping up the pickles. Did you know pickles are a vegetable? Yeah. Yeah, they're considered a vegetable. So if you want to have pickles as a side dish, feel free to. It's a veggie. Okay, and then you can pick you up some macaroni. Now, the Clover Valley macaroni is $1.25, and the Barilla pasta is $1.90. to $175 for the elbows. Pick you up a box of those Barilla elbows. Those things are the best. And you're going to take and mix a can of that chicken with some of these Barilla noodles, some mayonnaise, some ranch seasoning or ranch dressing, and some of that relish, and you're going to have you an awesome chicken salad. There you go. Another tip from Crazy Country Couponer. Okay, I said I'd slide a scenario in here. Well, here it is, guys. 3 SpaghettiOs for $3, 2 Hormel chilies for $5, 2 Spam or 2 cans of the chicken. Out of pocket for the chicken be $1 more. And then we've got 2 of the Hellmann's mayonnaise for $8.50. You got that $4 off coupon. 3 cans of vegetables, corn or green beans, your choice, for $2. And 1 Clover Valley macaroni. Now, if you want to do the Barilla, which, like I said, is the best pasta, then you can do that. But if you're looking to save money, do the $1 Clover Valley. You're at $25.50. Make sure you scan everything. Make sure you're over your subtotal, okay? That you need to be, which is $25. You got $9 coming off. Your out-of-pocket will be $16.50. And you got 13 items. And that's not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Savings of $9. So, there you go. Now, this was a field trip deal. This is not our normal daily deal. That video is still on its way. So, stay tuned for another really good food video. Alright, guys. Thank you very much for coming on our field trip. Looking at some food prices. I'll throw you a scenario up right here with some of the items that we've seen. And, well, don't forget to stop back by, because we've got more deals, steals, glitches, free stuff, and awesome information coming up tomorrow. Blessings.